Lavate Sarvam. A very good morning to you, all of you. Today we will be starting up with the chapter 2 polynomials of class 9th NCERT. So first of all we will discuss about the terms variables and constants. Let us look what are variables and constant and what is the difference between them. Variables are basically symbols that can take on any value. Like for example, the symbols which are generally used for representing variables are x, y, z. Constant are those which does not change, whose value does not change in a particular situation. Constant can be, for example, integers, or they can be surds or roots, or they can be fractions. Okay, these all are the few examples of constants. Okay, the value of constant in a problem the value of constant does not change. It remains fixed in a particular problem, but the value of the variable in the particular problem keep on changing. Like for example, variable can be cost of something, or length, breadth. These are some examples of the variables. Okay, there are different symbols for these variables. Constant are generally like integers. For example, 5, it is a positive integer. The value remain fixed in a given problem. If I say that there are 5 balls, so number of balls is the variable, but the digit 5 is the constant. Okay, sometimes when the constants are not known in a given problem, in that case the constant are sometimes represented as small a, small b, or small c. When we discuss about the general form of the polynomial, then we will talk about this, like the general form ax plus b, or ax square plus bx plus c. Like these are some of the general form of the linear polynomial, quadratic polynomial. So when we will discuss about these general forms, then here a, b, c, d. Problem where the constant are not known, they are sometimes represented as small a, small b, or small c. So when we will be discussing about the general form of polynomials, then we will be studying about these alphabets, like ax plus by plus c, or ax square plus by plus c, or ax plus b. So these are the general form. When we will be discussing about the linear polynomial, quadratic polynomial, then we will discuss about these unknown constant a, b, c. So sometimes when the constants are not known in a given problem, we will represent these constants by small letters, small a, small b, or small c. So algebraic expression, we have already discussed a lot about algebraic expression, and you must have studied in your previous classes also. But here in general, what is an algebraic expression? It is a basically product of a constant with a variable raised to the power rational number. An algebraic expression is equal to the product of constant into variable raised to the power rational number. This is algebraic expression. Like I will give you some example. Few examples we will be discussing here. Like here 6x raised to the power 1 by 2. So here the constant is 6. It is a constant. It is an integer multiplied by variable. Here the variable is x and raised to the power 1 upon 2. So 1 upon 2 is a rational number. So this is one of the example of algebraic expression. Okay. Second example is 5x raised to the power of plus 5. So these are few examples of a algebraic expression. One more example we'll take, like for example 3x raised to the power minus 2. This is also an algebraic expression. Now, which is not an algebraic expression? If the power is not a rational number, if in fact the power is irrational, then we can say that is not an algebraic expression. Like for example, if we say that 5x raised to the power root 2, then it is not an algebraic expression. Why it is not an algebraic expression? Because the power of the variable or the exponent of the variable is not a exponent of variable. Exponent of variable is not a rational number. It is the exponent of variable is what? Under root of 2. And under root of 2 we have already studied that, and root of 2 is not a rational number. It is an irrational number. So since the power is not rational, so it is not a algebraic expression. Now what is polynomial? As the chapter is about polynomial, so we'll discuss what is a polynomial. Now the question is polynomial different from algebraic expression? And yes or no? Okay. And or all the polynomials are algebraic expression? Are all algebraic expression polynomials? So we will be getting the answers of these questions after discussing polynomial. Remember, just before starting polynomial, algebraic expression, just now we have discussed that algebraic expression is equal to constant into variable raised to the power of rational number. So before that, we can discuss quickly what is a constant. Constant can be any real number. Here we can write what is a constant. Basically, constant can be any real number. Constant can be any real number. Okay, any real number means it can be a integer, it can be fraction, it can be any root, okay, cube root, square root, any root. Okay, so these are different kinds of constants. Okay, because I've told you the constant can be any real number. Okay, so now what is a polynomial? Polynomial is basically a algebraic expression in which the exponent is a whole number. So all the algebraic expressions in which the exponent is a whole number is a polynomial. We know that all the whole numbers are rational, so we can say that all polynomials are algebraic expression, but all rational numbers are not whole numbers, so we can also say that all the algebraic expressions are not polynomials. All algebraic expressions are not polynomials, but all the polynomials are algebraic expression. So we can write it in the form of formula, that is constant multiplied by a variable raised to the power whole number is equal to polynomial. Okay, hope you have understood. Now few examples. Now if we take at the above examples, like 5x raised to the power 5. So 5 is a constant, variable is x, and power is 5, which is a whole number, so it is a polynomial. Similarly, 6 x raised to the power 2. Here 6 is the constant, x is the variable, and 2 is the whole number. So we can say that 6x square is also a polynomial. Now, what about 6x raised to the power 1 by 2? In the previous case, we have just seen that it was a algebraic expression because constant multiplied by variable raised to the power rational number. 1 by 2 is a rational number, so it is an algebraic expression. But 1 by 2 is a rational number although, but it is not a whole number. So we can say although it is an algebraic expression, but it is not a polynomial. Understood? Similarly, if we take for example 5x raised to the power minus 1, so here the exponent or the power is minus 1. That is also not a whole number, so it is also not a polynomial. I hope you have understood the concept. Okay, I hope this point is also clear that all polynomials are algebraic expressions, but all the algebraic expressions are not polynomials, since we have already discussed that all the whole numbers are rational numbers. So all the polynomials are algebraic expressions, but all rational numbers are not always whole number. They can be whole number, they can be fractions, they can be any other numbers. So all algebraic expressions are not polynomials. Let us discuss quickly about the difference between the algebraic expression and polynomial. Algebraic expression is equal to the constant multiplied by variable raised to the power rational number. However, polynomial is the product of constant into variable raised to the power whole numbers. 5x raised to the power 5 is a algebraic expression, 6 as well as a polynomial. 6x raised to power 2 is also an algebraic expression as well as polynomial because the power is a whole number which is also a rational number. But 5x raised to the power 1 by 2 is a rational number, so it is an algebraic expression, but 5x raised to power 1 by 2 is not a polynomial since it is not a whole number. Similarly, 5x raised to the power minus 1 is an algebraic expression as it is power is a rational number, negative integer, but it is not a whole number. 5x raised to the power root 2. Since root 2 is not a rational number, so it is neither an algebraic expression nor a polynomial. Just quickly look at the properties. Properties we have already studied in number system. The similar properties here, that just like we have studied the properties of rational number, irrational number. Similarly here, sum of two algebraic expression, difference of two algebraic expression, product of two algebraic expression, or the quotient of two algebraic expression is always an algebraic expression. Sum of an algebraic expression with constant, difference algebraic expression minus a constant algebraic expression into a constant algebraic expression divided by a constant will always be an algebraic expression. Similarly, polynomial, sum of two polynomial is always a polynomial, difference of two polynomial, product of two polynomial as well as is always a polynomial. Polynomial plus constant, polynomial minus constant, polynomial multiplied by constant will always be a polynomial. However, there is a difference when we are dividing a polynomial with another polynomial. Look, like a polynomial raised to the power m upon the polynomial raised to the power n. If this is the case, and here the powers like x raised to the power 3 upon x raised to the power 2. So 3 is m and 2 is n. X is the variable. If the power of the numerator is m and the power of the variable in the denominator is n, if power of numerator is greater than the denominator, then the resultant power will be m minus n, that will be positive, and in that case the quotient will be a polynomial. But if the m is less than n, then it will be, power will be negative. Like for example, m is 2 and n is 3, then it will be x raised to the power 2 minus 3, that is x raised to the power minus 1. So if the power is negative, that is not an whole number, so it is not a polynomial. It will be an algebraic expression, but it will not be a polynomial. And if the powers are same, like x raised to the power 2 upon x raised to the power 2, that will be cancelled, it equal to 1. So that can be a constant polynomial, or you can say that it is a constant. I hope it is clear to you. These all are just a basic thing, so I am not discussing it in detail. Once again I am telling, for those who have not understood, if suppose the power of the first variable in the numerator is 2, like for example x raised to the power 2 divided by x raised to the power 1, so the quotient will be x raised to the power 2 minus 1. Law of exponent we have already studied in number system, so you can see from there. So x raised to the power 2 upon x raised to the power 1 will be equal to x raised to the power 2 minus 1, so that will be equal to x raised to the power 1, that is a polynomial only. But if x raised to the power 2 upon x raised to the power 3, x raised to the power 2 divided by x raised to the power 3, then the quotient will be x raised to the power 2 minus 3, and that will be equal to minus 1. So x raised to power minus 1 is not a polynomial because the power is not a whole number. And if x raised to power 2 upon x raised to the power 2, so it will be x raised to the power 2 minus of 2, that is equal to 0. X raised to power 0 equals to 1, that is a constant number, or it can be called as a constant polynomial. So with this we are ending this topic, and in the next class we will be discussing about the classification of polynomial. Thank you class.